Hello learners, today in this video we are going to talk about Oracle Cloud certification which is provided by Oracle University free of cost. So today in this video we will see how to enroll yourself in Oracle Cloud University to learn and get certified in the courses. So basically Oracle University is providing these free courses till September 30th. So you need to just sign up to Oracle University. So this is the official URL for Oracle University. So we can see there are lots of courses available which are provided by Oracle University to get certified. So the first course is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The another one is Oracle Database Management. Then Oracle Cloud Application, and there are lots of free live sessions. So in whatever course you are getting interest, you can enroll yourself, get learn something new and get certified in this. So currently I'm going to see how should you enroll yourself in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So you just need to click over this free training and certification, and you will able to see this Foundation Associate course. So click over this Oracle Foundation Associate and it will pop up this information. So basically this is 1Z01085 2023 foundation course, which is similar to AWS practitioner course, Azure, Microsoft Azure course, or Google Cloud course. So in this course you will learn about basic basic cloud concepts, like what is cloud, how it really works. So in this course you will able to learn what are the concepts, what are the features of OCI. You will know about OCI architecture, OCI core services, OCI security, compliance model, and what is the OCI pricing and billing. So these are the things which is getting covered in this course, and you all wanted to know like who can enroll in this course. So everybody who want to learn something new regarding cloud can enroll in this course, because there is no prerequisite for this course. This is basic course which will establish your base to learn cloud more. So here also it's written like job roles like cloud beginner, solution architect, developer, DevOps engineer, etc. Anybody who want to learn new about cloud can enroll in it. Also in market, these similar courses like platforms like AWS, Amazon, or Google or Microsoft is offering certification in around 10 to 12,000. Currently in Oracle Cloud it's free of cost. So it's a great opportunity to learn something and get certified in this course, because this course badge is valid for 2 years after completion of your course and certification. So I will suggest everybody to enroll in this course and learn something new and get certified in this, because I personally given this exam and it was very easy. You just need to follow all the skill checkups and practice sessions, and then you can enroll for the exam. So in exam also they are asking just 35 question. You just need to get 60% to pass. So basically you just need to correct 21 questions out of 35 questions. Okay, and there is no there is no hands-on required for this exam. Okay, so you can learn easily and get certified in this course. So once you will click here start learning, you will pop up to new Oracle My Learn page. Here you will get all the list of the courses. So it's loading. Okay, so see, This is the Oracle Foundation Associate course, and here you can see uh, you need to join this race certification and activate here. Once you will activate here, your account is ready to uh, learn things. Okay, so you just need to click over here, also enroll in this path, and then activate your account. Once your activation is complete, you are ready to learn your courses. So here you can see this is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation. This is 4 hours and 47 minute course. There are 8 skill checkers where you will learn something and you need to give exam. Mostly there are five questions, so around 40-45 questions are there in these skill checkers. Okay, and you need to score 80% in exam. You can reattempt every time if you fail. Okay, after that, this is 2 hours hands-on lab PDF. You can go through it, and then this is the module where you will understand how to attempt your certification, how to prepare. And this is the practice exam set which will set your tone to give the original 1Z0108-523 certification code. So this is the final certification which is required to be scheduled. So you just need to click over this get started. Once you will click over get started, you need to sign up with your Oracle account. If you are not having the Oracle account, you can create a free account. Here you just need to provide your email ID, password, your role. If you are a student, then you can keep it as a student. So these are the details you need to fill. And if you are having the Oracle account, then you can directly sign up. So these are the details which is required. And once you will provide all these details, you will able to start your exam. So these are the things which need to take care while giving this exam. So all the best to everybody. If you want to have the answer of this exam, let me know. I will create a separate video for this exam. Thank you.